the joys of season, the sound of the firecracker.
After such a long, tiring year, it's spring and I can finally rest. Oh.
I figured that I should visit my poorest countryside cousin since it's the new year.
What an annoying guest to come and visit.
Hello, everyone. Nice to see you. Happy New Year.
Hello, cousin. It must be hard living in poverty with no goats to eat for the new year. My condolences.
How come there are no ghosts?
We come from abroad where we have so much goat to eat we can't even finish it all. I realize now that it's such a waste after seeing the way you two live.
You just don't get it. Unlike you, we eat fresh goat that we catch ourselves when we want.
Oh, really? Well, that sounds wonderful. In that case, we'll have one goat each tonight, caught fresh.
One goat for each one of you?
Hurry up and catch some goats to entertain our relatives.
What are you making with all this black powder? It's really dangerous, isn't it?
If not handled correctly. Plus, it needs fire to cause an explosion. So to be safe, we just won't have any fire near it.
Hey, Weslie, what are you guys playing with?
Playing with fire rocks.
Fire rocks? You can't play with fire rocks here! Ah!
But Mr. Slowy, why can't we play with fire rocks?
I'll tell you why you can't. Get out of here, everybody! It's going to explode!
Mr. Slowy! Mr. Slowy, how come we play with firecrackers at New Year?
Well, firecrackers originated long, long ago. In those days, there was an animal that wasn't afraid of fire. It would come and steal from the villagers and eat all of their food. So to get rid of the animal, the villagers put gunpowder in bamboo so it would make a very loud crack and scare the animal away. After that, the villagers were safe and the animal didn't come back to bother them anymore.
But I've never seen that animal.
I've never seen that animal before either, but I'd like to have a look at it.
Where are you, little goats? When are you all gonna show up, huh?
I hope you're really not expecting Wolffy to catch anything. He probably hasn't even caught one yet. I bet he's just shivering in the cold somewhere.
It's okay if we run into him. We can always just have a little fun at his expense.
Oh, there you are, Cousin Wolffy. Hello.
I'm afraid you must be mistaking me for someone else.
Well then, if you're out here in the snow and you're not Wolffy and it's the new year, then you must be that ancient animal.
Huh? Ah! Why, yes. In fact, you're right. I am the legendary animal. I know how to do the legendary dance. Just watch this.
You have seen the legendary animal, right?
Oh, yeah, of course I have.
Could you tell me what it looks like?
Well, it's, you see, well, just like that.
I think I'd definitely be better at playing the lion.
What? No way! Nobody else could take your place. Because nobody else has a head that big.
All right, now, when you see the legendary animal, you must let the firecrackers go. Don't forget, okay? I know, but we don't even know where the legendary animal is, do we? That's why we're going to find it, right?
When can I finally end this suffering on the cold, snowy ground? A goat!
Excuse me, are you?
A goat?
You are the legendary animal.
The legendary? Yeah, what if I am?
You're real, aren't you? Tell my friends that I found you first, okay? Otherwise, they won't believe me.
Your other friends, huh?
Could you wait for me here for a minute?
Of course I can wait. One goat each, didn't you say?
I just never knew you were so great.
Well, what happened? What's going on, Wolffy?
Oh, nothing. Honey, I've come back home now. Ah!
What took you so long? Tell me!
Hey, Cousin Wolffy, how come your face is painted all black?
I was roasting 3 goats, so I made a really big fire and accidentally burnt myself. I'm so embarrassed. Oh.
Wow, 3 goats, we're gonna have a feast tonight.
Honey, let's not share with them, okay? Let's just eat them ourselves.
I haven't caught them yet. I was just fooling those guys. And they have no idea.
How dare you lie to me?
No, I didn't mean to lie to you, honey. It was just I
really did. I was the first one to find the legendary animal. I want to be the lion's head.
Sorry, but you're too short and fat.
But I used the firecracker to scare it away.
Now I'm not afraid of any firecracker. Man, I must be the smartest wolf in the whole country.
Hey guys, look over there.
Huh?
I'm not afraid of firecrackers.
Make way! Just follow the bomb.
Huh? You're not allowed to play with things like that!
I promise you I'll be back!
So did you catch a goat? Then what have you come back for?
My backside is hurting a little.
Hey, Wolfie.
Huh?
Are you all right, cousin?
Yeah, I'm fine. I think guns are quite popular this year. I had a good time.
Yeah?
We like to play like that
Even though I'm just a little goat, I'm smarter than you can imagine. My happiness is bigger than the sky, because I follow the sun. No matter what happens, I won't let it upset me. When danger comes around me, I won't let it get me. Even if the wolf tries to catch me, just make it